Uy, I'm back. This is your Kuya Jim. So, tara, samahan niyo ulit ako manood ng live basketball between Ginebra and Token Tex. So, lamang ko rin ang Barangay Ginebra. Ito guys, 1 minute na lang, 1 minute. So ang lamang ay 7. 7 ang lamang ng Ginebra. So hindi pumasok yung tira. Bola ng Ginebra guys. So, samahan nyo lang ako manood ng basketball. Ginebra, 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 Ginebra. Mukhang may pag-asang mag-champion na ang Ginebra dito.
Barangay Ginebra has not won a championship in the last 7 conferences. And in the last 3 finals, the Barangay Ginebra played.
Nagpiprito pa si Brownlee. Pumasok guys, isa. So, 8.
First collectors dito sa Polo Rizal Arena. Ang beses na, hindi natin, 5 game na, natalo sila rito in the crucial point. So, it's a Desmond Hall.
Nakakuha pa ng bola. Bola ulit ng Ginebra. Swerte. Seconds na lang to. Kapit. Pasok pa. Galing. Wala. Guys, champion na, champion na. Ginebra, Ginebra. Ayan. Champion. Ginebra.
Getting into foul trouble at the end of the third quarter.
Champion tayo, Ginebra, Barangay Ginebra.
Momentum turning into Ginebra's way. And then they just scored it out from there.
Project 13 points scored by TNT.
So, congratulations, Barangay Ginebra.
16 points in the third period. A total of only 29 points scored by
Galing.
TNT in the entire second half. The defense ang mapanalo sa Barangay Ginebra.
Ayan guys, oh. Kahit ako yan, oh. So, panalo. Panalo ang Ginebra. Galing. So, pwede na tayong matulog. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Salamat sa pag-load ng live. Magandang gabi. Good night.